Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the pieces that the person that don't care for the barbecue sauce, I'm going to put them up on the top lever of the grill. And that one, we'll flip that. See a little blood on that. And I'm going to flip these guys around. And I'm going to go into my special mixture and I'm going to paint again. You know, you get some idiots that make a barbecue. They got like a $3,000 barbecue grill, and they just don't even know what the hell they're doing. And it makes me nervous. You know, some people got a barbecue grill that they try to do a coals, and they put the meat on the grill before the coals are even white or even like red. It's black, so what you're eating is lighter fluid. So here you go. You got like a $54 ball of wax. That's counting the grill, the barbecue sauce, the chicken, the coals. Well, I got a little fancy with the setup, but it's a good day for me. Okay. Happy grilling. See ya.